I want to talk to you about the best affiliate programs for new podcasters this year, okay? So here are my opening remarks. The thing is, if you are a new podcaster, you might be thinking about actually monetizing your show in other ways. Of course, you can actually think about ad revenue. You can think about brand sponsoring, of course, but also you can think about affiliate programs, especially if you are trying to really think in a scalable manner. If you're thinking about the scalability, then actually affiliate programs can be a great avenue for extra revenue. Okay, so basically, I want to share with you in today's conversation the best affiliate programs for new podcasters to refer and earn. Okay, so what's affiliate marketing in the first place? Very quickly. Affiliate marketing is pretty simple. As a promoter, you actually get paid by a company whose products you advertise when someone purchases through your unique link, okay? It's actually a win-win scenario for product makers and promoters alike because products get more advertising and you make money when you effectively share products and services you love in the first place, okay? With affiliate links, your audience doesn't pay for, they actually don't pay any more for any product or service. In fact, in many cases, they get a discount, but you make a cut of the profit when a sale is completed. So that's kind of cool for, if you are a podcaster, that's really fantastic. Now, how do you use affiliate marketing for your podcast? Well, the thing is that affiliate marketing is a lot easier to do than most people think. Usually it's easy, it's really as easy as sharing a link with your audience. And this is why it's one of the simplest way, if you will, that a podcaster can actually start to monetize his or her show. So you have three main ways that podcasters can promote affiliates. They can actually promote the affiliate links on their show. That's really good. So you can promote those links on your show, and you can have like affiliate.com, and you can put the link. You can also include them in your show notes. So beyond telling your audience about a particular episode and sharing links on your topic or guest, your show notes can help you build revenue with affiliate marketing. You can discuss an affiliate opportunity in your show, then include the link in your show notes so your audience can access them easily. And while you might not be able to flash a link on the screen while they are listening, you can make it easier for them to support you. Also, you can actually add the links to your website, blogs, or emails. So that's kind of cool because you are going to be you're going to have a lot of ways to actually earn money. But hey, listen, with affiliate marketing, you have to be really transparent. Declare your affiliate links. If you are using affiliate links on your show or site, give your audience a heads up about them. Tell them you might earn a commission if they buy through these links. You might also want to assure your audience that you'll never use an affiliate link for a product or service you do not recommend. So trust and integrity are priceless. So let me give you the roundup here. So let's talk about the best affiliate programs for new podcasters this year. First of all, you have Amazon Associates. So Amazon gives everyone a chance to try their hand at affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates. That's really good. You simply need to open an account and start sharing links. You will have 180 days, so that's 6 months, to make 3 qualifying sales before your account is reviewed. And unfortunately, Amazon affiliate links tend to be pretty messy and are not that aesthetically pleasant, okay? However, you can use a WordPress plugin to actually make them easier to share during your show. You can also place the links on your podcast website and show notes to direct your listeners to relevant purchases. And with an Amazon affiliate account, you can link to almost any physical product, giving you many options. So that's kind of cool, especially if you are a new podcaster trying to really monetize your content. But you want to be careful that you're not just recommending things for the sake of making money, and focus on things relevant to your audience. That's what I said to you a little earlier, that you have to be transparent, but you also have to think about trust and integrity. Next, you have Audible. So if you listen to a podcast, you've likely heard about Audible. It's an online book and podcast program owned by Amazon and run through Amazon Associates. So anyone with an account can promote it. Their regular program payout goes as follows: 50 cents per audiobook sale, $5 for a free trial digital membership, and $10 for an Audible Gold member purchase. However, they also have a very specific creator program podcasters can use that gives you $15 per trial sign up through a custom link which is really great for promoting on your show. That's really fantastic. And it's really the ideal beginner affiliate program for podcasters because of the similarities between enjoying audiobooks and podcast episodes, especially if you have a very loyal community, you have a loyal listener base that's really willing to follow you wherever you go. This is a great opportunity. Next, if you're looking for the best affiliate programs for new podcasters, I want you to think about Skillshare. And Skillshare is an online learning platform where you can actually learn about things you are passionate about, from, let's say, graphic design and photography to actually running an online business or even designing your space. It's really a wildly popular program that offers a great affiliate program that podcasters can actually participate in. And on the platform itself, the cool thing is that there are over 35 to 40,000 courses you can promote to your audience. And in exchange, you can earn 40% commission up to $67 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So that's kind of cool. And this affiliate program pays out every month and accepts beginners into their program so long as you can prove that you have a viable program that aligns with Skillshare's mission. So this is a particularly good beginner affiliate program for podcasters that are in the business of learning. So if your podcast teaches something, so someone like if you teach something to someone like entrepreneurship or marketing or business development or programming, you can make some genuine cash to support your show. You also have Alitu, but I want to talk to you Alitu very soon. So I was talking about Alitu in the sense that Alitu gives you a lot of flexibility, and what I love about Alitu is that this is actually the podcast maker app, okay? And the cool thing about Alitu is that you have a lot of flexibility in their affiliate program. So Alitu is actually is a great product, okay? It's actually a podcast maker web app designed to actually make podcasting as quick and easy as humanly possible. So it does this by automating most of it and offering a podcast specific tools for the rest. So that gives you a lot of flexibility. This makes Alitu perfect for beginners, non-techie folks, and time-strapped podcasters. So if you are a new podcaster, you're a really new kid on the block, and you're trying to really scale things real fast, basically you will love Alitu, okay? And so if you run your own podcast, it's only a matter of time before you start getting some. How do you do this? How do you do that? How do you get with this? Like those questions, okay? So by partnering with Alitu, you can point folks in Alitu's direction, safe in the knowledge that they'll be in the best possible hands, okay? On top of that, you will earn a recurring 20% commission for each person who signs up. So that's really cool. That means what? It means that you are actually getting a percentage of their membership fee monthly for as long as they are a member, okay? So that's kind of cool. And so you are able to think of Alitu as an all-in-one platform. So you have a platform that has everything that users need to get set up, not only to launch their podcast, but also to grow one that thrives, okay? And so think of Alitu as a one single software for recording, editing, producing, and hosting podcast. And it's actually designed with simplicity, automation, and efficiency in mind. So we actually have reviewed Alitu on another show. So if you're interested in this software tool, go and watch that show that we have actually released not long ago. So we love the fact that you are able to earn, what we love about Alitu is the 20%. The 20% recurring membership. That's just really, really fantastic. We love that a lot. You can actually grow your balance sheet as a podcaster real fast, especially if you have a host of very loyal followers or listeners for that matter. Next, I want you to think about the BarkBox subscription. So if you think about the best affiliate programs for new podcasters, think about the BarkBox subscription. So the thing is, when you think about the BarkBox, you actually this is actually a program that offers an affiliate program that pays out for purchases on their subscription programs and then their store. Okay. Now, BarkBox actually it's about dog owners. So with BarkBox, you need to apply for all of the different affiliate programs they offer. So you have a BarkBox, BarkShop, and Super Chewer individually, and each program pays out differently: $18, 10%, and $20 respectively. So if you sense that your audience contains more cat people than dog lovers, perhaps something like Whiskerbox might be more up your alley. They offer a 10% commission for subscriptions you bring in. You can also think about podcast hosting. So if you're trying to really earn through affiliate programs for new podcasters, and especially when it comes to podcast hosting, think about the Buzzsprout, think about Captivate, think about Podbean affiliates. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So there are many other great podcast hosting providers. So you have with Buzzsprout affiliates, you can earn $20 for every paid account you refer. Every person you refer to Buzzsprout will also receive a $20 credit in their account. So that's kind of cool. With Podbean affiliates, you earn $25 for each referred user signing up for a Podbean Unlimited plan, and each person you refer will actually receive a 1 month free trial. So that's kind of cool. You also have other players. You have Castos. With Castos affiliates, you can earn 25% recurring commissions on all of your referrals for the life of their accounts. Okay. You can also earn a 10% commissions on their podcast production and launch services. And so what I love is the recurrence, the recurring nature of this affiliate revenue. And you also have Captivate affiliates. With Captivate affiliates, you can get actually a 25% recurring payouts for the lifetime of every podcaster that you refer based on their payment term. And payout actually depends on whether referred customers choose to pay monthly or annually. Next, you want to think about Musen. So Musen is actually it's all about landing page. It's all about email marketing. Okay, so if you need a user-friendly tool to create amazing email campaigns without breaking the bank, then Musen is actually for you. Okay, and we love actually the fact that you can actually get signed up for Musen real fast. So the platform supports an array of features, including a drag and drop builder, landing page designer, forms, custom reports, and automated workflows. And so if you're interested in actually doubling down or tripling down your revenue strategy as a new podcaster, think about Musen. And Musen's affiliate program can benefit both you and your audience. You can introduce your audience to a tool that will help them cut back on cost while increasing engagement and conversions, while you can earn actually a passive income through a lifetime commission. So that's kind of cool. And to make your affiliate marketing efforts easier, the program actually equips you with ready-made resources like banners, logos, one-pagers, and guides. Okay. And the cool thing is that Musen is really trying to make sure that you increase your chances of making money real fast for them and with them as well. And so the guys I was just telling you a little earlier, you are able to find all of this in your affiliate dashboard when you join the program. So it's really cool. So the Musen affiliate program offers a tiered commission structure. More specifically, you have a bronze group, 0 to 5 paid accounts with 30% recurring commission. The silver group, you have 6 to 10 paid accounts with 33% recurring commission. The gold group, you have 11 to 25 paid accounts with 35% recurring commission. The platinum group, you have 26 to 35 paid accounts with 37% recurring commission. The diamond group, 36 or more accounts with 40% recurring commissions. You have a 90-day cookie duration and a $5 minimum threshold. So this is important to point out. You also have affiliate marketplaces. So you have AWin and Share a Sale. So, and this is kind of cool. And you have when you think about AWin, you are able to refer a new revenue-driving publisher to AWin and earn $30. For a Share a Sale, you are looking at $150 referral fee for each qualifying merchant signed up through your referral link. So that's kind of cool, especially if you are thinking about if you're thinking about getting things done a lot faster. Okay, so the thing is that you have to really ask yourself, as a podcaster, as a new podcaster, what kind of capability do I want to enact? What am I looking for? What kind of strategy do I have to have? Because the whole thing is that you have to really find ways to actually monetize your show to survive. Survive in a very competitive industry, by the way. So that's what's going to help you actually ask yourself: am I going to go the affiliate marketing way, or am I going the advertising way, or am I going the sponsorship way? I mean, what ways do I have there? So if you're thinking about podcasting and you are actually looking for affiliate revenue, it's important to really understand that the most important thing for you is actually to think in terms of passive income. If you want to beef up your balance sheet, you got to think about passive income, because passive income essentially means earning money while not actively performing any job or task. And the utopian idea of passive income is that you create some content, then go and lie in a hammock in the Bahamas, and while the money rolls in. In reality, any successful passive income needs regular maintenance and upkeep, right? However, the fact that you can earn while you sleep, take a holiday, or even lie in a hammock is still pretty cool, right? And so you can have more than one affiliate partner, by the way. That's really good. I mean, it's really rare for an affiliate marketer to be limited to working with one single partner. Most creators have a handful of affiliate products or services they promote and earn from, and some affiliate partners will forbid you to do things like direct price comparisons between them and competing services, though. So if you create content that puts two platforms head to head, it's best to check the terms of your agreement to avoid any repercussions. And also, your commission rates can also increase with your conversion rates. So that's kind of cool. If you are a new podcaster, you have the possibility to actually increase to increase your exposure. Okay, so it's really possible that if your conversion rates are high, a partner will increase your rate of affiliate commissions. So depending on the platform or a partner, this might happen automatically. Or if you have a more, let's say, more of a direct relationship, you may be invited to talk with them. And in these situations, the podcaster goes into negotiations in a strong position. So, armed with this data, they'll be a great candidate for a lucrative podcast sponsorship deal. And but so the thing is that for you to actually that if you think about several avenues for revenue, you got to really ask yourself, what am I actually trying to really to accomplish here, right? And because the whole thing is, do not actually promote products or services just for the sake of promoting product or services. You have to really choose product or services that make sense vis-a-vis the specific niche that you are in at this moment. So what are the closing arguments here? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about the best affiliate programs for new podcasters. I give you the opening remarks, the roundup, the pro tips, and now the closing arguments. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.